Hello, I'm Sebastian Sinold. I'm product manager at Enea. And the demo today is about a product called the Cosmos Probe, which is a DPI application intended to monitor network traffic and provide a lot of statistics about this traffic. So actually the Cosmos Probe needs to be fed by a network packets in. There's a management interface, and then can feed any type of database or analytic solution to get visibility on this traffic. So the architecture of the probe is very modular. There's a set of different modules. Module for packet capture. We got several technology to capture the packet. Main component is the X engine, the DPI library, in order to provide information about the data. We got a set of modules to enrich the data with different kind of metadata like file inspection, device detection, DNS resolution. Then when we get all this data, we need to build them into a record actually. So there are several ways actually to create this record. Then this record is formatted in a given format, could be CSV, JSON, whatever. And then it exports it to a third-party solution or directly dump it to a file, or it can be sent on the network over UDP or directly injected in a database. So the demo of today is how this vProbe, how this application is integrated with OpenStack. So we get a full integration of this probe with OpenStack. The way it works, actually, we have here an agent who is listening to any Nova messages about creation of virtual machine, deletion of virtual machine, migration. And then this agent will create modules for packet acquisition for each of the virtual machine present on the compute node. So if we look at the probe configuration today, there's a set of modules, DPI, statistic, export format, but for now, there's no capture module at all. So the vProbe is listening for nothing. So in order to start the vProbe, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a virtual machine, and we're going to see that the vProbe will directly connect to this virtual machine and analyze this traffic. So I'm going to create an instance. I'm going to give a name like test MWC. The source of data, so I got several types of virtual machine, packet gateway, virtual router, multimedia server. I'm going to choose this one, for instance. Then the flavor, minimal, and then network here. And I'm going to start my virtual machine. I just need to leave OpenStack starting the image. Now it's down. And now if I'm back to my probe configuration, I see that a tab has been created to listen for this virtual machine. And now the probe starts generating data to Elasticsearch database for analysis. So if I come here, I see that I start to have some traffic from test MWC, which is the virtual machine I've just created. So we're going to leave it a little bit. And now I see that for each and every flow that has been generated by the virtual machine, I'm able to classify it, the full protocol encapsulation, and the volume per client, per server. So I see a set of client here, a set of server for this virtual machine. Here I got the compute node name and the virtual machine name. And thanks to the vProbe, we have a set of dashboards. Could be the usage per port, which application you add on each and every port. You have the visible per flow, all the different flows and what protocol are actually extracted. We got response time for each application, how long it takes to respond. So very important quality of service metrics. Or we got from some specific protocol like RTP protocol, voice over IP, the packet loss, the volumes, and the codec that is used. So Cosmos DPI engine is allowed to extract roughly 4,000 metadata, so you can select, depending on the use case, which one you want to see, and build your own dashboard and analytics in order to analyze your network properly. Thanks for listening.